Theta value sort of equivalent to $1.1728 a coin, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range: 1.1416, 1.2043. The earlier day close: 1.1633 in a really significant way. The change really was plus 0.0095, plus 0.82% in a by and large significant way. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost $1.26, exceptionally most extreme 1.35, kind of least 1.17, which especially is very critical. Theta gauge on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $1.27, exceptionally most extreme 1.36, genuinely least 1.18, which really is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $1.20, sort of greatest 1.28, exceptionally least 1.12 in a very enormous way. Theta conjecture on Thursday, December 14. Cost $1.17, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.25, sort of least 1.09 in a quite large manner. Theta cost forecast on Friday, December 15. Cost $1.25, sort of most extreme 1.34, sort of least 1.16, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days. Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $1.41, certainly greatest 1.51, sort of least 1.31, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $1.37, for the most part greatest 1.47, exceptionally least 1.27 in every way that really matters, significant way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $1.33, greatest 1.42, truly least 1.24, which truly is very huge. Theta gauge on Thursday, December 28. Cost $1.38, certainly greatest 1.48 in every practical sense, least 1.28 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Friday, December 29. Cost $1.41, by and large greatest 1.51, for the most part least 1.31, or so they sort of thought. In 3 weeks. Theta estimate on Monday, January 1. Cost $1.42, lovely greatest 1.52, really least 1.32 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $1.54, sort of most extreme 1.65, really least 1.43. Theta figure on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $1.39, genuinely most extreme 1.49, least 1.29 in a sort of significant way. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $1.41, fundamentally most extreme 1.51, beautiful least 1.31, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta conjecture on Friday, January 5. Cost $1.47, for the most part greatest 1.57, extremely least 1.37 in a quite enormous way. In about a month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $1.47, truly most extreme 1.57, least 1.37 in a genuinely enormous way. Theta figure on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $1.40, greatest 1.50, genuinely least 1.30 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.8526 coins per $1, or so they in a real sense thought. Today's reach: 0.8304, 0.8760. The past day's nearby: 0.8596 in an unpretentious way. Change for now: 0.0070, 0.81%, which especially shows that today's exchanged cost range: 1.1416, 1.2043, which in a real sense is very critical. United States dollars to Theta cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, December 11. Cost 0.794 coins, by and large greatest 0.855, especially least 0.741 in every way that really matters, significant way. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 0.787 coins, beautiful greatest 0.847, least 0.735, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 0.833 coins, sort of greatest 0.893, least 0.781, in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 0.855 coins, truly greatest 0.917, least 0.800, fundamentally further appearance how US to Theta today United States dollars to Theta conversion standard, really equivalent to 0.8526 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, December 15. Cost 0.800 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.862, in every way that really matters, least 0.746 in a very huge way. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost 0.806 coins, extremely greatest 0.870, least 0.752, so Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $1.33 in every practical sense, most extreme 1.42, sort of least 1.24 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 0.752 coins, kind of greatest 0.806, certainly least 0.704, which generally is very critical. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Wednesday, December 20. Cost 0.758 coins, essentially most extreme 0.813, truly least 0.709, showing how US to Theta today United States dollars to Theta conversion standard, fundamentally equivalent to 0.8526 coins per $1, which really is very huge. Dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, December 21. Cost 0.741 coins, genuinely greatest 0.794, most certainly least 0.694, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Friday, December 22. Cost 0.719 coins, by and large greatest 0.775, certainly least 0.671, exhibiting that US to Theta expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 0.855 coins, truly most extreme 0.917, least 0.800. Exceptionally further appearance how US to Theta today United States dollars to Theta conversion standard, fundamentally equivalent to 0.8526 coins per $1 in a significant manner. In about 14 days dollar to Theta conjecture on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.709 coins, for the most part greatest 0.763, by and large least 0.662, which sort of is very huge. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, December 26. Cost 0.730 coins, really